In this lesson, I will show you how to find any tool inside the NX, because inside the NX they have huge collection of tool set. So this is very harder for you to find out that. So let's say you are working with some specific tool which you don't know where is that. Let's say I want to work with face blend tool. Now I have to start to search from the left side and try to search from here. Quickly look at it. If you don't find anything, then try to look at in the more. If you find anywhere inside this, then it's fine. If you don't find, then you have to do one more thing. I will go to this drop down menu and I can see this is that face blend. So I can find from here. So this is how I can search. Let's say I want to work with fillet sheet tool. If I try to find out anywhere, same thing I will do here. I will go to more gallery or anywhere. I'm not getting that tool. So in that case, I have to go to this command finder. From here, I will put fillet sheet and then I will go to search. And now I will get my fillet sheet. But the problem is when I'm hovering over it, it is not showing me where is that tool. Because if I select face blend and search, it will show me the face blend, and when I am hovering over it, it is showing me here this is that tool, it is here. But when I am trying to search this fillet sheet, I can get it, but it's not showing here. This is not showing here because if you carefully read it, it will show you where is that tool actually is. This is inside the home tab, then feature group, that means inside this group, then more gallery, that means here, then inside the more gallery, detail feature gallery, then fillet sheet, which is by inside the bracket it is saying this is currently hidden. So if I go to this more, then this more gallery, detail feature gallery, from here I will find this fillet sheet which is currently hidden. Now if I check this option and if I hover over it, it will show me because I just selected it. So this is how you have to find out any tool. If you don't find any tool, normally if you work at least 2-3 months, you will be more familiar with it and you will start to remember which tool stay in which tab or which group.